Is ACCA worth it? A sure answer is yes. But what is the relevance in India and in 2024? I'm going to be discussing in this video. So watch it till the end. I'm Megha Bansali, CA and the ACCA. So I've been teaching ACCA for the past 5 years, and I can give you a very good insights on is ACCA worth it, especially from the job market point of view. So first to start with, I'm answering your biggest question. Will I get a job after I've done ACCA? Yes, you're going to get a job. In India? Yes, of course. So there are ample amount of opportunities available for an ACCA. If you want to get this verified, you can go to ACCA Careers website and you can see the amount of job openings available for an ACCA, both for a fresher and an experienced person. Second of all, when you look at ACC as a curriculum, it is not typical accounting and taxation kind of a course. So they have a lot of options. You have an APM, you have an AFM. So if you want to do financial planning, financial management, you want to do core finance, then you have those papers options available for you. So you can get into those niche also. And the ACCA curriculum is very practical, very case study based. So from day one you have exposure of how real life working looks like, so which is the beauty of ACCA course. So yes, what you have learned theoretically will be very close to how practically things are done. So that's what makes ACCA very relevant in the current job opportunity market. And next, if I have to talk about the cost involved in pursuing ACCA, which makes it really a very easy and affordable accounting course. So if you look at ACCA, you can complete your ACCA in about 3 to 4 lakh rupees, which is very economically priced when I compare to any foreign courses or any international university. So that also makes ACCA definitely worth it, because you're going to be investing about 3 to 4 lakhs in about 2 to 3 years, and you will get the same back in the very first year of your job. So yes, ACCA is definitely worth it even from the financial point of view. Then there is a lot of opportunity if you pursue ACCA. For example, if you are at your 12th standard and you've written all your 13 papers, then you can also apply for a bachelor degree from Oxford Brookes University. So along with your ACCA, along with a bachelor degree in India, you will also get a bachelor degree from a foreign university. In addition to that, if you've completed your ACCA, you get a direct admission into London universities for your masters. So yes, you have a lot of those opportunities. Not just these two, you also have uh, opening directly in Oxford Brookes University for an MBA. So if you're looking at a post-graduation degree or an MBA, then also ACCA is definitely worth it, and ACCA makes it more easier for you to get these foreign qualifications. So these are some perks which really make ACCA worth it, along with a lot of perks you will get while you're studying your ACCA. For example, it is flexible, it is cost effective, it is going to be done in very short period of time. In about 2 to 3 years, you can finish it along with your graduation. So there are so many benefits of pursuing ACCA. In case you require personal guidance to understand if ACCA is relevant for you, is useful for you, is it the right choice for you, you can definitely reach out to me for any kind of counseling session. The phone number has been provided. I'd be very happy to help each one of you. Guys, please do share the video with more of your friends who are confused if ACCA is the course for them or no. Please do drop in a comment below on how you found the video, or if you have any kind of queries. Please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care.